Also tonight, a rabbi accused of sexually assaulting an 11-year-old girl taking a plea and facing his young victim in court. That deal includes a number of restrictions for the well-known rabbi from Miami Beach, but it wasn't enough for that young girl's mother. Local 10 News reporter Miami-Dade live now to tell us why.
Calvin, the alleged victim's mother, was adamantly opposed to this deal from the start. She even appeared in the courtroom today with her daughter to beg the judge to reject it. That did not happen, and today we heard from that rabbi's attorney who said that his client was an innocent man who was vilified in the media and in the court of public opinion. No trial for Steve Caro, who was charged with lewd and lascivious conduct and molestation on a child. Instead, the rabbi pleads no contest to a lesser charge of battery, completes counseling and 9 months of probation, and has no contact with the alleged victim. Her mother now outraged.
I wanted him prosecuted as a sexual offender. God forbid it happened again to another child.
In April, Rabbi Steve Caro was arrested by Miami Beach police for allegedly touching the buttocks and body of an 11-year-old girl outside her clothes and kissing her neck. Caro admitting to touching her, but insisted there was no sexual intent.
Love, harmony, cleansing.
The state offered Caro a plea deal, citing a lack of evidence in the case.
I don't have the tools available that would be available in many other types of cases to convince a jury beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant's intention was sexual in nature.
The victim and her mother stood before the court asking the judge to reject the plea.
Please, Your Honor, let us see some justice in this case.
Judge Christina Miranda sided with the state.
Ultimately, the victims have a say in what they would like to have done, but the victims of a case do not have the ultimate decision.
After accepting the plea, Rabbi Caro slipped out silently, but his attorney had this to say.
What happened in this case has been so blown out of proportion.
I'm happy that we're able to give a closure to this and move forward in our lives.
So bottom line is Rabbi Caro will be on probation for the next 9 months, will undergo counseling, is not allowed any contact with that alleged victim, and must also not have any unsupervised visits with minors. If he keeps up his end of the bargain after 9 months, this case will be dropped completely. Reporting live in Miami tonight, Leanne Morejon, Local 10 News.